My name is Carmen Flores Perez, and I'm from Sugar Land, Texas. The Little School of 400 Words was in Sugar Land in 1957. I have Elma right here. Her mother, Margaret Garcia, was the teacher at that Little School of 400 Words. I was told a story that my father, Eleno, was the one that suggested her to Mr. Tejerina, and she became the teacher. There's still a couple of students that remember going to the school. We're only 5 years old, so they remember very little of it. My mother did tell me a story that when they had the ribbon cutting of the school, Governor Price Daniel attended there in the little barrio of Sugar Land, where only Hispanics and African Americans live. We're not allowed to go on the other side of the track or live on the other side of the track. And she told me that all the ladies from the neighborhood got together and fixed a dinner for Mr. Daniel and his wife. I'm real passionate about this because the history means a lot to me, and this little community of Sugar Land has a lot of history to share with everybody, because I think in the area a lot of people have roots in Sugar Land, and later on they went on to other cities like Houston, Texas City, Galveston, Richmond, and Rosenberg. But what I found out that a lot of people started in Sugar Land, and even Felix Tejerina likes to say that he was from Sugar Land when he actually only lived there for a couple of years. Am I correct? Yeah. Yeah, it's mentioned in his book, Mexican Odyssey, Felix Tejerina.
You're right.
Right. That's it. I get nervous.
Winner.
So, Ms. Perez, we want to continue communicating because we definitely want to include you in our Sembradores de Aztlán Oral History Project. Muchas gracias, señora. Do you have something you want to say, señora? From there, maybe?
The only thing I can say is that I remember my mom was a teacher, but I was really little because my mom was a single parent, but I remember going with her there, and I remember the room, and I remember the alphabet on the wall, and all I would do was run around the border of the building and play while she taught. But that's all I remember. My mom didn't speak a lot about it, but I do remember that.
Can we keep up communication so we can hold an interview with you? Okay. Let's get the film started, please. So this is a corrido that our